everyone, this is Steve from webrockstar.net, and in this video we will learn how to create a custom help tab that displays on every admin page with some detailed information about who set up or built the website as well as contact information. Now, as a freelancer or a web agency, this can be very useful for the website admin users of your customers to know who built or set up the website and who to reach out to if they need any additional maintenance work or features added in the future. You want your customers and clients coming back to you for additional work and not somebody else. Now, we can see here, this shows up on every admin page. Here I'm on the dashboard, and if we go to any other page in the WordPress admin, open up the help tab, and in the internal help and support tab, here we have the content once again. Now you can do this for free using the Admin Notes WP WordPress plugin available in the WordPress plugin repository. Now I already have this plugin installed, and I'm going to show you how to set this up yourself. So if you go into settings, Admin Notes WP, and around the middle of the page we can see all of the settings for the global help tab. I've called mine help and support. Now let's just change this to help and support 123 and just add an additional line of text here. Here is some more text, and let's save these changes. And if we take a look at any other admin page, open up the help tab, here we have help and support 123, and here is our custom help tab content once again. Now, one note about searching for this plugin in the plugin repository: if you do a search for Admin Notes WP, you're probably not going to find it, but if you search for my company name, WebRockstar, you should find Admin Notes WP on the second page of the WordPress plugin listings. So thanks for watching, and I hope you find this plugin useful.